Hello friends. So in this video, I will show you how to automate your trades in just 2 minutes. So once you log in, you will able to see something like this. Here your Tradovate is disconnected. So first click there, it will ask you with some declaration, and once you click on I agree, it will take you to Tradovate's login page. Here you have to log in with your Tradovate account. So let me log in with my credentials, and then it will show success. Means my Tradovate is connected, and if any error comes, you can fix them or contact to our support team with those numbers. So next step is, once we are connected with the Tradovate, our next step is to create the alert. So we have created a utility called Generate Alert. So you go there, select the option you want to choose. For this particular, we have already explained it in a separate video in detail. This is the video, I will put the link in the description. So once you are done with this, click on Generate Alert. It will give you the code. Make sure you copy this particular code through this copy code button. Then go to TradingView, go to Alert Sections, click on plus icon, select your indicator or strategy you want to automate. Paste that code here, in notification, there you have to add the webhook URL. Come to PickMyTrade. Click on this webhook button, and this will get copied, just paste it over here, that's all. Just click on Create Alert, and your alert is going to get created, and your alert is going to visible here, in this particular symbol and this time frame. And then you go to PickMyTrade, then in Home, and then in Alert section, here you are going to see all the alerts, and if there comes some error, they are also visible here. And if order get placed, you could see the order placed here, entry order ID. And if you face some error, it is shown like this here, it means account is not passed correctly. So in this way you can automate your trades. In Order tab, you can see the order filled or cancelled. You can see it on Tradovate in here also. Here you can map whether your order is getting placed or not correctly. Here you don't have to create settings, because we have already created the settings for you. Let me show you the documentation part as well. So you can click on Documentation. So whatever we have explained in the video, we have explained it here with the screenshots. You don't need to worry about the alerts, but if you want you can read here as well. We have explained the trail stop loss here, and how to place trades in multiple accounts. And in FAQs we have explained some common errors which occurs and how you can resolve them. So in that way you can make it work. If you have any query you can reach out to our support team. This is our primary number and this is our email ID. So you can either contact us on email or through WhatsApp. One more thing to say, a very common questions coming from our clients, so I will try to clarify. So let's say you have one Tradovate login and it have a multiple account. In this case you only need one PickMyTrade account, and you can automate all the account forms single PickMyTrade account. But let's say you have two different Tradovate login, then you need two PickMyTrade account.
Where one Tradovate login is connected to one PickMyTrade account and another Tradovate is connected to another PickMyTrade account.